Have you ever felt like she's moved on, only for her to suddenly reappear in your life like a ghost from the past? Welcome to the modern dating phenomenon called zombieing, when someone you thought was out of your life comes crawling back begging for another chance. But here's the twist. What if you could flip the script and have her chasing you instead? In today's video, we'll dive deep into the psychology of zombieing, uncover the reasons why women come back, and, most importantly, reveal the exact steps to make her beg for another chance with you. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll understand how to turn the tables and reclaim control of your love life. First, let's break it down. Zombieing happens when someone reappears in your life after ghosting you. It's that "hey, stranger" text that makes you pause and think, why now? The truth is, women zombie for one of two reasons: regret or curiosity. She's wondering, did she make a mistake? Is your life better without her? Or worse, did someone else take her place? And here's where you come in. If you handle this the right way, you can make her desperate to win you back. Why do women zombie? Women zombie for emotional reasons. Maybe her current fling didn't measure up to the standards you set. Maybe she's seen you thriving on social media, living your best life without her. Or perhaps, deep down, she knows she let a good thing slip away. Understanding why she's coming back is your first step to gaining the upper hand. The art of making her beg. Here's the secret. You don't get her begging by chasing. You get her begging by doing this: focusing on yourself. Women are naturally drawn to men who are thriving, not men who are desperate for attention. Work on your goals, hit the gym, and become the best version of yourself. When she sees the new and improved you, she'll realize what she's missing out on. Strategic silence. Next, use strategic silence. If she texts you out of the blue, don't respond immediately. Take your time. This creates mystery and shows her you're not sitting around waiting for her to come back. People value what they can't easily have. By not jumping to reply, you'll leave her questioning her place in your life. Reignite her curiosity. Leverage social proof. Post subtle hints on social media that show you're thriving. You don't need to show off, just share your genuine happiness. When she sees other people enjoying your company, it'll trigger her fear of missing out. Flip the power dynamic. When she finally reaches out, keep your emotions in check. Be polite, but don't overinvest. Remember, you're not trying to win her back. You're making her earn her way back into your life. This will make her see you as someone worth fighting for. The final step: set boundaries. If she truly wants to come back, make sure it's on your terms. Set boundaries and communicate your expectations clearly. This isn't about revenge, it's about respect. Show her you've grown and that you expect the same from her. Zombieing doesn't have to be a one-sided game. With these strategies, you'll not only regain control, you'll have her begging for another chance. Remember, the power lies with you. She ghosted you, gone, vanished like smoke in the wind. Weeks, maybe months pass and you've convinced yourself it's over. Then, boom, your phone buzzes and there she is, back from the dead. What do? Ignore her, play along, or turn the tables so she's the one chasing you? Stick around, because today we're flipping the entire game. Understanding zombieing, why she's back now. Let's start with the basics. Zombieing isn't just a random text. It's a calculated move, often driven by regret, curiosity, or a bruised ego. Maybe her rebound didn't pan out. Maybe she's stalking your social media and noticing that glow up. Or maybe, just maybe, you were always the one, but she didn't realize it until now. He's really doing well without me? Wait, who's that girl in his story? Did I mess up by leaving him? But here's the kicker. Her reasons for coming back don't matter as much as how you handle it. Because when you play your cards right, you don't just get her attention, you make her want you more than ever. The psychological triggers behind zombieing. Women, like men, are driven by emotional triggers. When she sees you thriving, happy, and unbothered, it ignites something deep inside her. Call it FOMO, fear of missing out, or plain old curiosity, but it's powerful. She starts asking herself questions like, is he happier without me? Did I misjudge him? And why does he seem so confident now? And here's where you take control. By understanding these psychological triggers, you can position yourself as the prize, someone she can't afford to lose again. The glow-up strategy. The first step to flipping the script is simple. Level up. Physically, emotionally, financially, every way possible. Hit the gym, upgrade your wardrobe, focus on your career. Women notice when a man is thriving. It's not about revenge, it's about reminding her and yourself of your worth. When she sees this transformation, she won't just think about the old you. She'll wonder, how did I ever let this guy go? The power of mystery and silence. Next, let's talk about the art of silence. If she reaches out, your instinct might be to reply instantly. Don't. Instead, pause. Give it time. Mystery creates attraction. When you're not readily available, it sends a powerful message. I'm busy living my life. This keeps her guessing. Is he ignoring me? Is he seeing someone else? That uncertainty is your secret weapon. The importance of social proof. Here's another tip. Leverage social proof. Whether it's on Instagram, Facebook, or real life, show that you're thriving. Post a picture of you at an event, tag your friends, subtly hint at your success. When she sees other people celebrating you, it amplifies her perception of your value. Don't overdo it, stay authentic. You're not trying to show off, you're showing growth. Handling her comeback like a pro. When she finally reaches out, the way you respond matters. Be polite but detached. Show her you're open to reconnecting, but only if it's on your terms. Setting boundaries and building respect. Now here's the most important part. If she wants back in, you must set boundaries. Communicate your expectations clearly. Let her know what you will and won't tolerate. This isn't about playing games. It's about ensuring respect and mutual effort. I'm open to seeing where this goes, but I need to know that we're both serious about making it work this time. By doing this, you're not just regaining her interest, you're commanding her respect. Even if she comes back, don't stop your growth. Keep building your life, pursuing your passions, and striving for more. Remember, the goal isn't just to win her back. It's to become so magnetic that you attract everything you deserve. Zombieing is just a game of push and pull, and with the right mindset, you can master it. But here's the real takeaway. It's not about her. It's about you, your growth, your happiness, your journey. When you focus on becoming the best version of yourself, everything else falls into place. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts. Have you ever been zombied, and how did you handle it? Let's talk about it. Do you know how to actually do it? Describe it to us in a way that will amaze us. Tell us how you managed. The two of us can talk about it. This is Stoic Life Guide, empowering you to navigate love and life with wisdom and confidence. See you next time.